my friends! It's great to be here to celebrate the coming season. A warm summer breeze wafts through the air. We all look forward to the sounds of the summer season. The smells of the busy boardwalk. The hot, wet ocean wind. The time to take that pressure that's built up all year and just let it out.
Wow, you picked that up fast.